Hello, my people. Come, let's plug on the cluster eyelashes together. First, I went in with trimming her eyebrows and shaping them using a surgical razor blade. As you can see here, we also trim the top part of the eyebrows.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber, Cindy Ziwe. The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
Here we also trim between our eyebrows. We clean it up as to separate the unibrow.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. Cindy Ziwe. The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
And then now we start plugging in the cluster eyelashes. Here the technique is that I dip the ready fanned cluster in the glue and shove it between her natural eyelashes. With this technique, I don't place them on top of her natural ones, neither underneath her natural ones, but I shove the fanned cluster in between her natural ones so the glue can get a grip on her natural eyelashes.
Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber.
My application starts from the outer corners of the eye, going inwards to the inner corners.
Beautiful YouTuber.
As you apply, it is advisable that the client faces downwards and not completely close the eye. Here I'm offering her to use the fan as to avoid the eye from tearing from the glue, and it helps with also speeding up the process of adhesion for the glue.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
It is advisable that the client doesn't completely close her eyes as you apply on her. Oh yeah, and I know it may show as though she's having her eyes closed when I apply, but in actual fact, she's having her eyes looking downwards. Yeah, I hope I'm making sense.
Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Walks on air, she's got that flair. Charm beyond compare. From Joburg streets to Durban scene, she's the beauty queen we've ever seen. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun.
Now moving to the other eye, of course I start the application on the outer corners, going to the inner corners.
Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun. In the land of gold and diamond dreams, Cindy Ziwe, she's the queen supreme. Cindy Ziwe, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. Cindy Ziwe, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. and tails. She's the wind in the sails. Fashion and style, she's got it all. Cindy Seaway stands tall and won't fall. From Cape Town shores to Victoria's hills, everyone knows she's got those skills. A wave and smile, she's a magazine, our nation's own timeless queen. Cindy Seaway, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. Cindy Seaway, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. With every step you shine so bright. With every step you shine so bright. With every step you shine so bright. South Africa groove, you got the move. This way, you're the light of the night, of the night, of the night. With every step you shine so bright, so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. From Cape Town shores to Victoria's hills, everyone knows she's got those skills.
And here now we finished off in the inner corners.
So bright, beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move.
And here are the end results of the cluster eyelashes. Client is happy. Thank you.